Design Your Best Year, a workshop to turn resolutions into reality. The new year has arrived, a fresh chapter waiting to be written. This is your moment to design the kind of year you truly want in 2026. Many of us start January with ambitious resolutions and high hopes, only to see them fade away before February. So what does it take to create a plan that is bold yet realistic? How can you ensure your goals don't just stay on paper but become part of your life? What strategies can help you transform intentions into achievements and unlock the best version of yourself? Join Rick Serrano for a practical hands-on workshop that will guide you in crafting resolutions that stick and building a roadmap for success. We will meet on Saturday, January 17th from 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. at Rick's Place in Conturn. There is a participation fee of €50, €30 for students. The workshop is limited to 20 participants. To reserve your spot, send an email to rickserranoconferences@gmail.com today. Start the year with clarity, confidence, and purpose. Join us and turn your ambitious plans into meaningful actions for a successful and abundant 2026. Thank you